man?
How are you?
A bit boring, bro.
Do you want to go reading movie?
Great, sure.
Damn, it's so hot today. Do you have any water?
Yes, here you are.
It's so hot. I can't take it.
Of course, because the weather is around 40 degrees Celsius now.
Damn, we need a refrigerator.
So you know, the all new PKR, the mini refrigerator just came out.
Was it any good?
Let's see and find out.
Good afternoon. Is there anything can I do for you?
Yes, I hear that all new PKR mini refrigerator is sold here.
Yes, it is. Good choice, guy, for the PKR mini refrigerator. It's cheap, easy to operate, portable, and the most important, it's cool.
Let's chill and enjoy the mini refrigerator with a cold beverage.
Hello everyone, so this is our PKR mini refrigerator. As you can see, the arts were made by our friends from our group. There are 6 members in our group. Mark and Golf did all these paintings they're assigned to do these arts. And I'm in charge of the electronics. As you see, we have a power supply. This power supply is from a old PC. So what we did is we converted this 12 volt PC to 120 volts to a direct current of 12 volts. So you can see we only used 3 types of wires on this power supply, and the other left was orange, red, violet. Those are cut off because the violet is 6 volts. The red one is 5 volts, and the purple one was 8 volts. So we need 12 volts to power this 2 cooling modules. So at first, this yellow wire is 12 volt, and this the ground, means negative, and yellow is positive, and this green wire is for powering the power supply. So as you can see in this terminal, we did connected those grounds and those positive 12 volts. Okay, so these are the 2 switches. This switch turns on the silver switch, turn on those two cooling systems, and this red lever switch turn on the thermostat for the temperature control. And this 2 cooling modules were from old PCs, CPU heatsinks. So this one's powered by 12 volt, and inside this cooling system there is a Peltier module, 2 Peltier modules to help the cooling system inside. So we did all connected those Peltier modules and fans together and connect to the positive and negative ground. Negative ground. So inside, as you can see inside, there are 2 fans inside to push the cold temperature to blow out. And these 2 fans are also connected in this. These wires are the fans inside, so we put it in outside. And this thing right here is for the temperature control, which measures the temperature and goes to this thermostat. And we also have 2 small heatsinks inside. As you can see inside here, yeah, inside there is small heat sinks that conduct the cold thing there. So I will show you how do you actually turn on this PKR mini fridge. First, if you turn on the first, you're gonna plug in the input for the power supply to turn on, and next you turn on this power switch. So you can see there's a fan spinning on the power supply, which cools the power supply. You know, because this power supply powers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 components, electrical components. So it's good to have a fan inside. And also this power supply has a safety feature called fuse. So when it explodes, the entire thing won't explode. Only the fuse, the small fuse, will explode. And if you want it to work back, we just change the fuse. The fuse only costs about 10 baht, 5 baht. And once this power supply was turned on, you can see two fans inside were turned on. Two fans inside turn on. Yeah, those two fans. Okay, it turns on. And the other two is off. So once we turn on the the silver lever switch, this will turn on the temperature. See, you can hear it running. So just turn off, turn on. So what this heat sinks do is, a Peltier modules actually is just like a plate, which other sides conduct heat and other side conduct cold. So once the more heat we reduce, the more cold we get. So that's why we use a CPU cooling. So as you can see, this kind of get hot and the inside gets really cold. So with this thermostat, as you can see now, it's 30 degrees Celsius, right? So you can see this is the room temperature right now. It's 30 degrees. Once I touch it, my body heat comes, and you can see it gets more hotter. So let's try our mini fridge. Once we put it here and close it, let's wait about 1 minute and let's see. You can see the temperature is now decreasing. It's now decreasing. It's back to 29.8. This PKR mini refrigerator could reach the temperature as low as 16 degrees Celsius without ice. And if we put ice inside, somewhere about this part, we could get at least 10 degrees Celsius, which cool enough to cool beverages, cokes, anything such as. Also, we have a storage here to put some snacks, and here's to cool your beverages. And also cool enough to cool things that you want to do for picnic. Also this thing is portable, where you can move table by table. It's not that too heavy. You can put it on your desktops, on the 10 places that we put on our survey. And also it's nice also. And this only costs 699 baht, more on cheaper price. But if you look at the internet, you can see like such things like this that could even not reach too much temperature. It could only reach about 18 degrees Celsius, and it costs like almost 1,000 baht. So this could be a good project to everyone. Thank you.